Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Docusign documents more interactive and professional, adding a drop-down list is the perfect way to streamline the signing process. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a drop-down list to a Docusign document or template step by step. Stick with me until the end, and you'll be able to create clean, organized forms that make your recipients' choices simple and error-free. Log into Docusign first. Head over to Docusign.com and sign in with your account credentials. Whether you're using a personal or business account, you'll need to be logged in to access all editing tools. Choose or create a template. From your Docusign dashboard, look for the Templates option. If you already have a template you use regularly, select it to save time. If not, you can upload a new document and start fresh. Using templates is a great way to keep your process consistent for documents you send often. Prepare your document. Once you've selected a template or uploaded your file, fill in any initial details such as signer roles, email information, or special instructions. Take a quick moment to double-check these settings so everything flows smoothly later. Enter the editing mode. When you're ready, click Next to move into the document preparation screen. This is where the real customization begins. You'll see the toolbar with all the different field types you can add: signatures, checkboxes, text boxes, and of course the drop-down list. Add the drop-down field now. Look for the drop-down option in the toolbar. Drag and drop it onto the part of the document where you want recipients to make a selection. Once it's placed, click on it to open the settings panel. Here's where you can type in all the options you want to display, such as yes, no, or multiple categories, anything that fits your form's purpose. You can even set a default choice if you'd like. Save and send. After customizing the drop-down list, review your entire document to ensure everything looks perfect. Click Save and Close if you're editing a template for later use, or choose Send if you're ready to send the document right away. Your recipients will now see a clean drop-down menu and can pick from the options you set, reducing mistakes and keeping responses consistent. And that's it. Your Docusign document now has a fully functional drop-down list. This simple addition saves time, keeps your data organized, and makes the signing experience effortless for everyone involved. If this guide helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.